Good tools are critical to everything we create, and kitchen tools are no different. But what do you need? Where do you start? Well, to help you out, I've put together a list of equipment that I use all the time. In my experience, good quality is worth every single penny spent. For example, if you use a really cheap saucepan or frying pan, you're going to be disappointed because they will warp and food will burn or won't cook evenly. And then, of course, there's the cheap, dull knives. They're so dangerous to use. Good quality cookware and knives won't wear out, and you'll appreciate them every single time you use them. Along with the essential tools, I've put together a list of nice to have. These are tools that are just that, really nice to have, but not absolutely necessary. Building my set of tools has been a lifelong project that's not likely to end. It's too much fun.